Hey guys, and welcome to my video. So today I'm gonna make something new for a change. So actually will use this simply. Will not say any more than this. I will unbox this mic I got. So actually this one is called HyperX Squad Trust. There is an S model from this, but I didn't read the S model. I got this one. So actually it's good, or at least I still wanted to see how things will go for it. So anyway, we will begin to unbox this thing and we will test it for sure compared to my normal mic what I'm using here on my headphone. So for sure it should be a lot different, as this thing actually price more than my headphone with its mic by about 2 times I think. So for sure it's a lot better. So let's take a look and we will see what will happen. Okay, so let's unseal this thing and see what is inside. So I have to get this first. I think you can see that much. So anyway, let's do this. Okay, so here we go. So let me see what we have here. Okay, manual for it. Kinda not bad. Quite interesting. Okay, so what the fuck was this thing? Well, it's quite complicated, so coming back soon. Well, after pulling so hard on this thing, actually it was like this, so I have to like it crazy. So actually I did this and I found the mic is standing. For sure I didn't try it with this disc. I would trash this mic. So that's how it looked. Looking cute actually. Okay, so what I did there is a cable like this. This is normal cable to say, with USB. And actually I got this. I don't understand what is this yet. But look like it's not a bad thing. Well, but I can say the looking on this thing is so good. Not sure how things will go for it, but actually as I can see there is a mute mic here. Okay, so to put the cable you will have to get this one and put it through here like this. So you put it like this and make it this, and you can put it like this. Okay, so that's, you can say, a cable management. You have no problem with this, as if you are using this like this or anything, you have no problem. And you will actually have to go through all of this thing. Okay, so putting it on USB and here we go. So it's red like this. So looking for sure good. I think I can use it from any side. Like if I play like this, I can play like this and put it, but actually on my case I think I can't play like this, so maybe I will put it like here on this place and use it like this. So it will be good enough. Maybe I can use it. For sure I have problem with management, but I will do this later anyway. And I can use it like here and put it this way, so I can use it and play. But still, let's see and check how it can do. Sensitivity, all of the options we have here and all of the things. So let's begin with this now. Okay, so what we have on this mic. So I have this one as a mute button like this. I can make mute for this mic like this, and actually for here on the bottom, that's the voice level, so I can scroll it like this or like this. That's for low and this for high, and that's my max at the moment. Okay, and for here it's actually coming with a lot of modes. So first one, or if we do like this one, if you have 2 people speaking, so it's good for this one. Second one, for solo people, if I am just talking alone, so I want my voice just to be recorded, so it will be like this. Third one, it will be for a lot as around you, like if I have been so much people and talking and I want all of this to be recorded, so you can use it for this. And for last one, actually it's like coming from 3 directions, so can say like 3 people or standing on any like triangle or anything like this, so it will be good for them. So now let's test how this voice compare to my mic. Okay, so first this one was my mic here on my headphone. So let's say this word as example, blade and soul. Okay, so now we switch. So I will mute this, and now I am using this mic. So for sure my voice is changing. I'm not sure it's good or not yet. So let's say it's the same word, blade and soul. Okay, so actually I heard what I did, so I don't need this anymore. Let's put it aside here. So what I see, it's a lot better. For sure I used the same things I used for sure for my record or my mic settings on OBS. The same I used here. So since I can say it's good, separation is so good, and everything is working very well. So the point how I will use it. So if I will use it from this far away, I think my voice is still recorded very well. I don't have any problem. I don't need to talk that much. So if I'm talking from here also, it's very fine, as I'm recording just a solo record now, or from just one from this with this option. So since it's going very well, I don't see any problems. I don't see my voice is fading, as I can see. Since on the audio mixer working very well here on OBS, don't feel my voice is low or anything like this. So anyway, let's make a test, and as we play, let's see how things is going. And that's how things is going after I begin to use the mic for some days, like 5 days or something. So actually on these days I was testing on Discord, was talking with my friends how things is going, and they say no, it's not good. So why it's not good? So I begin to understand things. You have to talk from this direction. I am talking this so bad. So you have to talk from this direction when you see the HyperX mark. So if I talking like this, it's fine also. And some other things for sure is about the OBS settings. So OBS settings is super different. For sure I changed also the camera direction for this, so it can be a bit better for me as I put in my mic in front of me, until for sure I did something to make it comment like this. And OBS since can make sense, I can talk from far away, I have no problem, and if I'm talking from this close, it's fine also, so I will have no problem from this. So if you need OBS settings, you can tell me, I will make you another video for this, so I can make it fast and it makes you understand how things is going. For sure settings can be a bit different from someone to someone, as how is your surrounding and all of these things, you know. So anyway, before this, let's go now and check how voices will happen. I have a loud voice here in my keyboard normally, and I have the voice of the game. So let's see if my voice will be so good or working well as I am playing normally and I have no problems or what. So you can hear my voice for sure, I think, and even if I am talking from here, for sure you will hear my voice a lot better. So I don't feel any problems with this, and things is going very well as I can see. So anyway, thank you for watching guys. If you like this type of videos, just tell me, I will make you some if I did any items for sure. So I expect maybe I will change my graphic card one day, so maybe I will make test for this. If I did any something like changed my mouse, changed my keyboard, anything like this, for sure I will make videos about it. So if you feel it good for you, subscribe to my channel. For sure don't subscribe just for this type of videos. I'm a gamer after all, so of all my videos is about games, mostly Blade and Soul, but anyway, who cares about these points? So if you like this, just like the video, it will help me, and thank you for watching guys. See ya in the next video. Bye bye.